Well, a mistrial is declared in the murder case against a 16-year-old who was charged in the killing of a popular Baltimore bartender, Sebastian Dvorak.
WJZ is on tonight. Kelsey Kushner with details and reaction from Dvorak's father. Kelsey.
Well, the jury returned a partial verdict today. They could not come to a decision about 8 of the most serious charges. Tonight, the victim's family says they're not giving up hope.
My main feeling is utter disappointment right now.
An emotional response from the father of Baltimore bartender Sebastian Dvorak, moments after the jury convicted 19-year-old Malik Mungo on drug and gun charges, but not the murder of his son back in 2017. Dvorak was killed along Boston Street while walking home after celebrating his 27th birthday in Canton.
It's not over, no.
Prosecutors arguing Mungo, 16 at the time, was a known member of a dangerous gang. They also pointed to surveillance video placing him in the area of the murder that night. His defense said he did not pull the trigger. After 2 weeks of trial and 4 days of deliberation, jurors telling a judge they're unable to reach a unanimous decision on 8 of the most serious charges, including first and second degree murder, robbery, and gang charges.
I think that they felt that they didn't have evidence beyond a reasonable doubt that he took part in the robbery and or the murder, that they didn't have that evidence. I mean, I think that's pretty clear that at least some number of them were not convinced.
Mungo was facing 19 counts in the case. He was found guilty on 8 counts related to drug and gun violence, all which he admitted to in his testimony, and not guilty on 3 burglary charges. His attorney telling WJZ the ruling does not bring relief to his client and his family.
Sure, they're anxious that they have to go back to trial. There's no relief because the major charges are unresolved.
And Dvorak's family hoping for justice in the future.
And we'll be here every day until our state says this was wrong and this shouldn't have happened and someone should be held accountable for it.
And Mungo's attorney says they have not set a sentencing date or a new trial date for those 8 serious charges. Reporting live tonight in Baltimore County, Kelsey Kushner for WJC.